Every time a worker cleans windows from a ladder or a lift, you risk their safety. Inadequate tools waste your money, multi-step processes waste your time, and unnecessary chemicals harm you and the environment. There's a better way, and now, an even more efficient way. Unger's new HydroPower Ultra Pure water window cleaning system is the new standard in DI technology with over 30% more pure water output, all while keeping workers firmly on the ground and leaving windows spotless. When paired with an nLite carbon pole, the HydroPower DI cleans windows up to 5 stories high, eliminating the risk of ladder fall injuries. Easy to assemble and simple to use, the compact and efficient HydroPower Ultra DI utilizes Unger's quick change resin bags to filter basic tap water into pure, de-ionized water. Unger's Flow Water Technology 2.0 found in every Ultra resin pack ensures a more efficient flow, optimizing saturation. Because pure de-ionized water attracts dirt and grime, there's no need for detergents or chemicals. Windows are cleaned in a single step. No squeegees, no cloths, no risk of injury, leaving a spot-free finish and reducing the environmental impact to the surrounding area. Once your windows are clean, the HydroPower DI stores easily, allowing for frequent access and use. Faster, cleaner, safer. The HydroPower Ultra DI system is the most efficient system available, with the longest-lasting HydroPower resin bags ever. Switch to HydroPower Ultra and start cleaning safely from the ground today. Unger, quality tools for smart cleaning.